Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add shipping to your online store in Hostinger website builder. First, I will show you how to offer a flat rate shipping for orders starting from $0 to 75 for a rate of 5.99, and at the same thing at the same time you will offer free shipping for orders starting from $76 and up. As you see here, the rate is free. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Now, next to your online store or website, click on Manage Store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to add the shipping to your online store, it's simple. Just go to Settings and select Shipping. By default, first, let's explain how the shipping system works on Hostinger website builder. In order to add a shipping option, like for example free shipping, or for orders above a certain value, or you charge $5 for each order for shipping, you need to create a shipping zone, and then you are able to create shipping options. So here by default, Hostinger creates you a shipping zone using your current store location. So here I see this shipping zone called Morocco. Now what I will do, I will create a second shipping zone that I will call, for example, worldwide. If you offer shipping worldwide, if you offer shipping just, for example, US, Canada, certain countries like USA, Canada, and Europe, you can call it, for example, you can create multiple shipping zones, and inside each shipping zone, you set up according shipping options. So let's say that I offer shipping for just for the USA. Let's call it USA or big 5 countries, and here in the country I will select the USA. The big fives are known to be the US, the UK, the Australia, Europe. Let's ask ChatGPT, or just here, what are the big 5 countries? Canada, I forgot about Canada. Now let's add Canada. Let's search for Canada. C is here. Canada, Australia, Canada, UK, US. I forgot about France, Russia. Okay, let's add France, for example. Where is France? This is it. Okay, now that I included, now that I selected the big 5 countries and this shipping zone, I called it big 5 countries. Hit save. As you see, shipping zone updated. And here, so for this shipping zone, I will offer shipping options. Same thing, by default, Hostinger adds this regular free shipping option, which with a free rate. So I think, okay, let's add a second option, and you will see this window. Now the shipping system that I will, there is multiple shipping options. For example, starting from 0 to 40 based on the order value, called tiered shipping, most popular. You offer standard for below $49 order values, and so on. This shipping system encourages customers to spend more to unlock free shipping. The second shipping system is flat plus free threshold. For you offer a flat rate shipping, not 5.99 on all orders, and you offer free shipping on orders above 75. This system is simple and easy for customers to understand. There is also an economy versus express based on value. For orders under $60, for example, you offer economy shipping $6.99 and express shipping $12.99. And for orders above $60, you offer economy shipping for free and express shipping for $9.99. This keeps faster delivery as a paid upgrade. There is also a high ticket strategy, great for premium stores. For orders under 150, shipping is only $9.99. And for orders starting from $150, the shipping option is free insured shipping. Works well if you sell high priced products. And the last one is an ultra conversion booster. Shipping by default is $8.99, and you show a message like you're only $15 away from free shipping. This is a proven psychological tactic to increase cart size. Unfortunately, I don't think this till now hosting a website builder they don't allow showing a message like this one. But from the updates, I think this is an upcoming feature that hosting a website builder team is working on. Now, the order or the system that I will show you in this video, I've already covered this system in the previous video I've just recorded. So I will jump to this simple and easy to understand shipping system, which is flat plus free threshold. So for the first shipping, this is the name, flat rate shipping, fill in the name here, and for the flat rate shipping, for the shipping value, flat rate shipping. Okay, I will offer this shipping flat rate will cost $5.99, and for the condition, since the second shipping option, which is free shipping, is for orders over 75, so this flat shipping rate will be starting from 0 to 75. Okay, so by the way, I forgot, there is two condition types, the order price or the order weight. So for this, since we are talking about price here, I will go with the order price. So the minimum order price should be 0, and the maximum order price, is it 70? Should I write here 70 or 75 or 76? Let's understand this logic. The lower bound of the condition is inclusive, and the upper bound is not. The lower bound is the minimum order price, and the upper bound is the maximum order price. As you see, the upper bound is not inclusive. So if I get, so here, why I wrote 76 instead of the 75? Because if I got a 76, if I got an order with exactly 76 and up, it will use this shipping, this flat rate shipping option, because this 76 is not inclusive. I hope that that you understand what I am trying to say. Okay, let's try to explain this using those shipping options. Here, as you see, as I've just said, the lower bound is not inclusive. This means if I offer shipping for this, if I have order that is exactly $5, it will be inclusive here, and it will use this second shipping option, because $5 is inclusive here and not inclusive here. Now that we understand this, click on add. Now this is let's we can delete this by default shipping option because I already have a second one. Okay, now let's create this shipping option that is that we will call free shipping. Okay, since this is a free shipping, I will not write any rate here to keep it free, and I will click on add conditions, and here I will write minimum order price. It should be 76 to be inclusive, and up I will keep it empty. Click on add, and with those shipping options, if I have an, uh, if I have an order value exactly uh, 75, it will use flat rate shipping, and if it is 76, it will use free shipping. Let's reread. Why? Because free shipping is for orders over 50, over 60, over 75, and not starting from 75. Okay, I hope that was clear. Now let's test this. So I will open my online store, go to the store. Let's add this, for example, this set of plates. Okay, add it to the bag. Delete this order price. As you see, the subtotal is $30. So before hitting the checkout, or let's click on checkout. Here, as you see, since this order value is below 57, it will use flat rate shipping. This is the shipping option that will show up if I got an order coming from the big 5 countries. So let's see the checkout. As you see, the default country is Morocco, which is outside of our shipping zone. So it will say in below shipping method, this selected country is not available for shipping. So let's select one of the big 5 countries. So let's look for the US, for example. Select a state. As you see, now the shipping is a flat rate of $5.99 as added to the subtotal, and this is the total to pay. Same thing, let's select, for example, Canada, for example. When it is selected, same thing, the same flat rate. Let's select a country that is outside of the shipping zone. Let's go with Morocco. As you see, if you look closely here, the big 5 countries are added to the list, and also Morocco. Why? Because the shipping, if I go back to the shipping page and refresh it, as you see, I have 2 shipping zones, one for Morocco and one for the big 5 countries. This is the default one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting your website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting your website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And refresh it. As you see, I have 2 shipping zones, one for Morocco and one for the big 5 countries. This is the default one. I still see Morocco here with the big 5 countries because this shipping zone it is not deleted. So if I hit delete and I refresh the checkout, the Morocco will not show up here. Now let's look for Morocco. As you see, the list include only the big five countries. Now let's try to get or to let's look for the free shipping. So our order should be starting from 76 or up above 70, above 70, up starting from $76. So I will go back to the store, add multiple of these products to, as you see, now we are above, let's be just above, as you see, above above our order value of 76. Click on checkout, and now I should see free shipping. Let's select a country, select a state, and as you see now the shipping cost is for free because the order value is above 76. And this is how to add shipping to your online store in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.